A pace merchant with no end product, inconsistent and predictable. It's safe to say Raheem Sterling's ability hasn't always been appreciated, but the Manchester City forward is one of the best attackers in world soccer right now. The former Liverpool player thrived last season under Pep Guardiola, netting 23 goals in 46 appearances as the Catalan coach guided the blue half of Manchester to a record-breaking points total in the English top flight. And the 23-year-old is well on course to hit double figures across all competitions for a sixth consecutive season, a remarkable feat for any wide forward, let alone one still years away from hitting the very peak of his powers. He's always looked at danger, even as a youngster at Anfield. He was a key part of the side that finished as runners-up in the Premier League in 13-14, and deployed at the tip of a diamond, Sterling ran riot alongside Daniel Sturridge and Luis Suarez. He found the back of the net 10 times that season, but his finishing was erratic at best. He lacked a composure, a clinical edge that separates the good from the brilliant. But at the Etihad, Guardiola has worked on ways to harness what Sterling is good at. He's an elite chance getter, and he's quickly becoming an elite chance creator. What's scary is the fact everything points towards Sterling not only maintaining this output, but improving on it. No player in the Premier League has more touches in the opposition's penalty area. Since the start of the 2018-19 campaign, his expected assists per 90 total is unmatched and is higher than Kevin De Bruyne, Alexis Sanchez and Mesut Ozil managed last season, three players who respectively ranked first, second and third among players who played at least half of the available minutes. He's second in the league for open play X contribution per 90, with this stat almost doubling since the 16-17 campaign, and he's also a lot more lethal now. Not only is his shooting accuracy at the highest it's ever been, he's also increasing the quality of his shots by 20% with his finishing, the 7th best in the English top flight. Guardiola has crafted Sterling into his ideal forward. It's why he's trusted the England international to play a number of roles in his highly organised system. The City number 7 has been utilised as a left winger, a right winger, and even as a free 8 at times. And despite being so tactically flexible, the former Queen's Park Rangers youngster has been able to influence the game and chip in with game-changing, often match-winning moments. That clinical edge that might have been lacking as a youngster is now there. This ruthless 2.0 version of Sterling could be a 30-goal-a-season forward who also chips in with another 10 or so assists.